As a food scientist and nutritionist, I love doing home fermentation projects because they're just so fun and healthy, and making kimchi is one of my favorites. Here's how to do it. First, you'll sprinkle some salt over chopped napa cabbage. This is going to draw the moisture out of the cabbage so it can soak up all those good flavors later. Alright, while the cabbage sits, we're going to make our flavorful paste that's going to flavor the kimchi. I use gochujang Korean red pepper flakes, garlic, ginger, a little sugar, and some water. Traditional kimchi uses a splash of fish sauce. You're welcome to use that if you're not vegan or vegetarian. After that cabbage has wilted down, rinse off all that salt, give it a good squeeze, and then mix it together with that paste that we made along with some carrots and green onion. I like to use gloves at this point because the smell and color can really rub off onto your hands. Now that everything is mixed together, go ahead and get a clean glass jar. I'm using a large jar here, but honestly, I prefer to use a wide mouth mason jar. Now you can enjoy it like this, but I like to let it ferment for a few days. Put a lid on it and then let it ferment for 3 to 5 days until it's bubbly and has that distinct sort of tangy kimchi flavor. I cannot wait for you to try this one out. I think you're going to love it. Happy fermenting!